Hello, teacher.
You're earlier, huh? I apologize. I have a class earlier after. Okay, so hello, good evening, Kwa, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
Good. How about what did you eat for dinner today? Mhm.
I eat meat and rice.
Oh, really? Meat and rice? What kind of
Yeah.
meat? Is it beef or pork?
Yes, we
A
teacher
beef?
wait meat.
Oh, okay, sure. Go on. Can take your time.
Okay, teacher.
Oh, you're finished now?
Yes.
Okay. So beef. Do you like beef or do you like pork? What do
I
you like?
like both,
Ah, you like both.
but I prefer beef
Oh, beef.
to
Oh, me,
pork.
me too. I also prefer beef rather than pork
I
because
think beef is very tasty.
yes, very good. So beef is most delicious or more delicious than pork. Yeah. And beef also has less fat than pork
Yeah.
because pork has a lot of fats. So it's very not delicious.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. How about have you tried eating in a Korean restaurant like Korean
Yes.
barbecue?
Yes.
Yes, I mostly
It's
or
very delicious.
yeah, it's very delicious. I mostly order beef when I eat in Korean restaurants or Korean barbecues.
But I think chicken is the
Oh yeah,
most I like the
yes,
most.
chicken, especially fried chicken. You also like fried chicken?
Yes.
Yeah,
Grilled chicken.
real chicken, yes. How about wings? Do you like chicken wings?
Yes.
Yes, that's my favorite part. Chicken wings. So nice. I got hungry today. Okay, so now are you ready for our new lesson for today, Kwa?
Yes.
Okay, what is our lesson all about?
Is internet
Internet. Very good. When we say internet, Kwa, what do we mean by internet?
internet is the network uh connected around the world.
Okay, very good. It's the network that is connected around the world. So we use the internet. What do we use internet for? Or why do we?
Internet for
Mhm.
internet for
Why do?
study
Very good. So we can
work.
work. Very good. We can use internet in work or at work. Very good. So those are
But
the.
I think most
Mhm.
students now use internet to play game.
Ah, yeah. Do you play games on the internet?
Yes, but
Oh,
little.
a little only. You don't play much.
Yes,
Oh, what do you use more, computer or iPad?
iPad.
Ah, you like iPad more.
Yes,
Yeah, I like both.
because it's very
Very convenient.
yes.
Yeah, it's easy to bring anywhere, especially in the coffee shop. Yeah. But do you have a laptop?
What?
Do you have a laptop like this?
Yes,
Laptop.
yes.
Yes. What do you like more, laptop or iPad?
I think it's laptop.
Yeah, it's laptop, right? Because like the iPad, you can also bring laptop anywhere. And especially, so it's very also convenient
But
because
we when we bring laptop is inconvenient
Oh, why? Why it is inconvenient for you?
because if we work need to work and we bring the laptop to a restaurant and
Mm, we
we
need
need to
to.
uh wait
Okay, okay,
we
sure. Okay, sure.
we need to
We need to
change
charge. This one charge.
and yes and it's
Yeah,
very inconvenient.
yeah. You need to bring a charger because laptop can easily get low battery. How about your iPad? It does it
My iPad is uh
that
very fine,
oh, so it does
strong.
yeah, it doesn't get low battery
Yes.
faster. Oh, so rather than your laptop. Hmm.
And now I'm using my laptop to study now.
Oh, you're using a laptop now?
Yeah. iPad.
iPad. Oh, I thought it's a laptop.
Oh my gosh, I missed that.
It's okay. Okay, so yeah, you're right. So it's inconvenient, especially most of the laptops, so they get low battery very, very fast. Somehow for iPads or other tablets, so it is mostly has a long life or long battery life.
Yes.
And it's also not heavy to
Yes.
carry. Unlike the laptop, it's very heavy and it's inconvenient, like what you have said. Okay, so
But
very.
yeah,
Mm, mm.
but smartphone is the most convenient.
Oh yeah, but phone we can just do limited things there because it only has a small screen. So I still prefer tablet or iPad because you can watch movies. It has a big screen. So in your phone, it's small. Okay, so that's it. So internet. So you are right. It is a network that connects around the world. So it can be internet websites, videos that we watch on the internet, and mostly Wi-Fi. So those are the things that are connected to internet. So usually or as usual, lesson objectives, we have vocabulary phrases, reading and discussion. Okay, so let's start with vocabulary. So again, actually we started this
Yes.
lesson last time.
Yes.
But
We
let's
already.
but let's just review. Okay. So again, the internet, big network that connects computers and phones. So what do we mean by use and surf the internet? What is the difference between two or between the two? What's the difference between using the internet and surfing the internet?
The internet is the network connected computer and home. Surf the internet is we surf the statute on TikTok or Facebook.
Okay, very good. So when we say using the internet, so we use mostly the network that internet has. It includes online activities, including working, online shopping, sending emails, and for surfing the internet, it is the difference between use and surf. So use mostly for entertainment, uh, I mean, use is more productive use of internet. However, so the difference between the surf and the internet surf is for leisure activities or for entertainment. Like for example, using the internet. So when we are working or doing school things, that is using the internet. So we use the internet to work, we use the internet to study. Surfing the internet, so like what you have said, so checking the TikTok, watching videos, so mainly for entertainment or the activities that we usually do in our free time. So that is the difference between use and surf or surfing the internet. Okay, and next one is, what is this?
Search for information.
Okay, very good. So information. For this one, information. So this is the singular and plural form. So we do not use informations because information itself, this word has a broad meaning. So we do not use letter S if we are talking about many information. So we just use information. So that is the original word and plural form of information. Okay. So when we say search for information, what do we mean by that?
We mean if we find some information on the internet.
Okay, very good. So good job. So from the word itself, search for information. We find information. We often look for answers or knowledge online. For example, if there are some words or some things that we want to know, so we will just search it on the internet, on the Google, and so it will show you a lot of information that you can read and you can learn. How about you? What do you usually search for online?
I search to translate the
Mm.
English or Chinese word.
I search for the translation of English to Chinese or English and Chinese.
No, I search to translate English and Chinese word
Mm, yeah. So that's it. I search for the translation of English and
and
Chinese
Chinese.
language. Yes. So I use the internet to translate English and Chinese language. Translation of the in English and Chinese. Wow. That's a very good, because since you want to be an international student, so it is advisable for you to at least translate some words, and it can be your stepping stone or stepping point for you to be able to fully learn a Chinese language. Wow, that's so good. Okay, any other things that you do or that you search on the internet?
No.
Ano, just for translation.
Yes,
Mm,
or I want to find something about math
about
to
math.
improve my
math math
yes,
skills.
yeah.
Oh, oh, especially when you will gonna be studying chemistry. So there are a lot of free lectures of chemistry in the internet, which is very easy to understand. So I have this. Let me just search for it. Um, the organic. So this one, if you have a chemistry subject in your next grades, so you
Yeah,
will search for the organic chemistry. So he is very good in explaining chemistry, especially the computation in chemistry. So you will easily understand. Yeah. So the organic chemistry in YouTube. Yeah. So yeah, we can learn. So by searching for information online, we can learn a lot of things, we can see a lot of things, and it is also one of the things that we use for communication. Okay, so that's it. And next, oh, so we have here, next word is,
Internet addiction.
okay, again, let's say addiction.
Addiction
Okay, very good. So when we say internet addiction, Kwa, what do we mean by internet addiction?
is we want to play game on internet very much.
Mm, very good. If we want to play or when we want to play games on the internet very much and we cannot stop ourselves, so that is internet addiction. So it means generally it is using the internet too much and we don't stop or we not stopping or we are not stopping. So do you know someone, Kwa, who uses internet too much? Do you know someone who uses internet too much or no?
Mm.
Do,
And
do you know?
no,
Ah, no, you don't know someone who watches internet? Ah, who uses internet so much?
no,
Really? Mm. How about you? Do you use internet too much?
no.
Okay, that's good because in having an internet addiction, it is not advisable because it wastes time, especially when you have lots of homework at school. When you have internet addiction, you will not be able to study. You will not be able to finish your homework. So that's why having addiction is not good. Okay, so this is bad. Okay, so
I
most mm,
I use internet
for
to
to
search to
search.
solve the difficult math
Mm,
problem.
okay, very good. That's so good. Because when you use the internet for study, so it is a good. It's good because
Mm.
you learn something. But if you use internet too much and you're just playing games, so it's not beneficial, especially to your body and to your mind. So that's why we should control using internet too much. Okay, that's good to know that mostly you use internet for your study and for learning math. Okay, so
I always know if I use much internet, I will
yes.
be a not good person.
Yes, and also it will cause you some headaches if you use too much internet. So you are very much exposed to the UV rays
Yeah.
of the screen or monitor, so it will lead to cause you a poor eyesight or headaches. So that's why it is not advisable. So I've tried that before. So I played you know the game The Sims. You know
What?
this one, The Sims.
No.
Really, this one, let me show you. The Sims 4. So this is a computer game. So it's like a simulation game. So I got addicted to this game. So last month, and I usually sleep at 5 a.m. So
What?
yeah,
You
and
play and you not sleep?
yeah, and it's very
Oh my
bad.
gosh.
But right now, no, I'm not playing anymore because I'm reviewing for. my licensure examination. So I don't play anymore. I deleted the game because it is very bad. So I get headaches, and when I teach student, I my headache or my head hurts. That's why it's really not advisable to have internet or game addiction. So yeah, that's my face before. Okay, next. Next one is
Learn online.
okay. So when we say learn online, so like what you have said earlier, so you are using the internet to search for math or to improve your mathematics skills. Like in this picture, I think they are doing math. Let me just zoom it. Yeah, they are doing math. Or this person is watching like a math lesson. So yeah, like what you are doing. So you usually search online for knowledge. So we learn online. We use the internet to study. Okay. So like what we are doing right now, we are learning online. We are learning English online. Okay.
Yeah.
Aside from mathematics, what are the other subjects that you study on the internet? Aside
Only English.
English,
Yes, only English.
English and math only?
Yes. No, only English,
Ah,
not
only
math.
English. Ah, okay. So when we say learn online, so it doesn't limit only when doing like this, when doing meetings or doing classes within the internet. So learning online, so it also consists of searching online, or like browsing things to learn. So it doesn't only limits in meeting with your teacher to learn. So learning online is basically studying online, using the internet to learn, searching for things to learn. Okay. Aside from math and English, what are the other things or what are the other subjects that you study? Like
What?
aside from English and math, what are the other subjects that you study? Like what are the other subjects that you search for?
Don't have.
Oh, really? How about Chinese? Chinese is also a subject. You can have a Chinese language in the future, as Chinese language subject in the future.
Yes. Oh,
Yes.
I already say I
Yeah.
search to translate.
Yes, that's why I'm asking because I'm waiting for you to answer. Also Chinese. Not only math and not only English. Okay, so that's learning online. So doing classes online, searching for things, and browsing to learn. Next. Oh, this one. Next is, what do we mean by this?
Take online courses.
Okay, again, let's say this one. Curses or courses. Curses, not curses.
Courses.
Courses. Courses.
Courses.
Not courses.
Courses.
Okay, very good. Take online courses. So when we say taking online courses or courses, so when we say taking online courses is to join classes on the internet. So like what we are doing right now. So we are taking or we are taking online English course. And also, if you want to learn more about the things, or especially, for example, when you choose psychology as your major in college, so there are a lot of online courses that you can take connected to psychology in the internet, but they are paid. They are mostly paid. or they are mostly expensive. So there are online classes that are like online college that you can take online if you want to learn more things, if you want to learn cooking. So you can enroll to a cooking class or online cooking courses, or when you want to learn, what are the other things that we learn when you want to learn Chinese. So there are a lot of online courses that teaches Chinese language. Yeah, and also English. English is the most common online courses that you can see, especially on the internet. Okay, so to join classes on the internet. Okay, and next, how about this word?
Waste time.
Waste time. Okay, what do
Oh,
we mean? Oh,
teacher.
yes.
But I think we use time to sleep and
Huh?
improve and give energy for brain is very good. Not
Yeah.
waste.
Yes, that's correct. So it is important really to sleep because when we sleep, so our body processes the energy, or we can regenerate our energy. And if you don't sleep like what I does before, I sleep 5 a.m. So my headaches are very bad. Every day I have headaches. But right now, since I'm not playing anymore, so I'm more than okay. So like this one waste time. So before I played games, I'm wasting my time just playing games instead of learning. So don't do this. Don't waste your time. So don't use your time without anything or without doing anything useful. So you need to be productive every day, or not every day, but like um, it can be a small thing or big things that you can do. Do not waste your time. For example, in your house, do not waste your time. You can help your mother. You can help your mother clean the house. You can help your father fix things. Or you can help something within your house. How about you? What do you think are the activities that you do that waste your time? Do you have any activities that you do
No,
that takes up most of your time and you think that it is not useful?
no,
Okay,
no.
very good. That's good. How about what are the things that you do for you to not be able to waste your time? What
I
are
study every day.
Okay, very good. So study every day. That's so nice. So studying every day, so it is never a waste of time because you learn, so you benefit from learning and you will apply your learning in the future. So don't waste time. So you can do things, useful things, even if it is a small thing. So it is
Teacher,
still, hmm? Yes?
would you have a time
Mm.
you waste time?
Yes, the one that I explained earlier. The when I played
Teacher,
until, yeah, yes.
what is
What is the
what is
the huh? The
meaning of your game you play? Is the game sim? What is meaning?
simulation like this.
Sim
Sim.
for
Yes, sims means simulation. When we say simulation, you're like You're like the one who controls the game. You're the one who controls the game. For example, I have a character. I have a character in the game. So I customize it. I customize the character. I make it look like me. So I will play the character. So in that game I can cook, I can go to the gym. So it is like a game for daily life, or what are the things that you do daily. So there are places there in the game. So there is a gym, there is a school, there is an hospital. So it is like a real life thing, but in a game. So that is the game. That's why it's very addicting because I have a career there. I'm a teacher. No, I'm not a teacher there. I'm an astronaut in that game.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's why I got addicted because it's interesting to play.
You traveling
Yeah.
over the earth?
Yes, because in that game
Oh,
there there are also different places. And there are
I want
also
to try that game.
yeah, there are also animals there. If you want to take care of animals like dogs, cats, you can do it. So there is also um what do you call that? There is also royal family there. There are king, queen, princess, prince. Like it's like a real life things that you can do in a game. Yeah, you can.
And we can play game, but we mustn't internet addition.
Yes, so we can play a game, but we do not um, waste our time by just playing that game continuously. So we still need to control ourselves. So playing games, actually, it's not wrong. It's not wrong, or there is nothing wrong with playing games as long as you are playing it normally. So you can still control yourself, or you can still control yourself. You can still stop playing when you need to do something, especially when you need to study. So you will stop playing games. So it is a healthy habit. So if you are not addicted into the game. So yeah, because some games, there are games that you can also learn, and there are games that you can not learn. So make sure to choose the games that you will play. Yeah, so that's it. That's the waste. That is waste time. Okay, next word is
Concentrate on
something.
S
That
something.
yeah, when we say STH, it is short for something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so concentrate on something. When we say concentrate, what do we mean by that word? Concentrate
Is
on something.
we concentrate
Mm-hmm.
uh activity.
Okay, very good. So we concentrate in an activity. Like for
Yeah.
example, excuse me, I'm burping. So when, for example, concentrate on something like studying. When you have an upcoming examination, you need to concentrate. The other term that we can use for the word concentrate is focus. So concentrate, it is focusing our mind or our body to do one thing. So like for example, when you have a upcoming examination, we need to concentrate on reviewing so that we can get high grades. So that is concentrate on something. How about you? Um, what do you concentrate on when you study? What do you concentrate
On
on? Do you
I
concentrate?
cons
Go.
I concentrate on
On
the problem and
on the
and think how to
what do you concentrate on?
solve what
What did you say? I concentrate on
on the
on the
problem of math,
on math. Okay, we can say on math problems. And
find how to solve it.
okay, very good. So that is concentrating, especially math. So you need to very much concentrate in this um subject because there are very broad ideas that you needed to understand, especially when solving math problems. Okay, especially when you encountered what do you call that? Sentence problems in math. You you read a sentence and you analyze the sentence because in that sentence there is a problem or math problem that you need to solve. That is the thing in math that I don't like, reading sentence problems, because mostly I cannot understand it. Do you have you encountered this one? Like sentence math problems?
Yes,
Yeah. Like for example, let me have one example. This one. Like this sentence problem. In order to start constructing the house, Charlie and his father needed to gather some wood from the forest. If they initially have 15 extra planks of wood in the house, and Charlie and his father got 10 planks of wood each, how many pieces of wood do they have in total? So it's, yeah, you need to analyze. You need to read the sentence and analyze each given, what do you call this, given numbers. So it's very hard to, that's why I don't like math. it, I really cannot understand some things in math. Okay. So next, let's proceed to our next one. What is this?
give update with something.
Keep update with something. Very good. What do we mean by keep update? Hmm. What is that? What do we mean by that?
We update something of the informations.
Okay, very good. So, or in general, so when we say keep update with something is to know new or newest information um, in the world. Like, for example, if we want to know the things that are happening in the world, so we will read some things, or like we can browse the internet, or we can watch the news on the internet, so we can keep update with something using the internet. Like for example, this example, the internet helps me keep up to date with national and international news, because as we can see, so the internet has it all. So it has YouTube, it has Facebook, it has a lot of different websites where you can see, or you can search up, or you can search news or information about any other things. Okay, how about you? How about you, Kwa?
What
How do you get updates using the internet?
I surf the internet.
And what do you do? when surfing the internet?
I will keep update with something.
Huh? I will?
Keep update something.
Ah, okay. How what how do you surf? Like you search for something or you just browse the internet? Hmm. How do you keep updated? Do you search for it or you just see it upon opening a website?
Yes.
Yes, yes, what?
Is I
I
search on Google's
you search on Google. Oh,
or
or
listen listen a
listen.
person teach with me.
Okay. So you listen to people. Okay, so very good. So that is how we keep up to date with something, especially for the things that are happening in the world right now. So generally, it is easy to find something since we have internet. But before, so we need to before internet in the past. So there is no internet. So how do you think? Oh, wait. So in the past, there is no internet. So since there's no internet, how do you think people keep up to date before? How do you
I
think people?
I
Since
think
people
talking I I think people talk.
talk to each other,
Yes.
really?
Yes.
Okay, it can be one things that they do to keep up to date. But mostly, the most common things that people do before, since library is very common
Yes.
um,
Oh,
before.
teacher, my mom called me.
Oh, okay, sure. Go, take your time.
"O- Okay, teacher.
Finish now? Okay. Okay. So before, so library is very common for
My
older.
mom go outside.
Okay, your uncle is outside. Okay, so again, so before Kwa, so before we usually use books to gain
We,
information because there is no internet before, and
yes.
also newspapers. We gather news with newspapers before. So these are the things. Other than talking with each other, we use books and newspaper to gather information before. Okay, that's it. Next. Oh, we are in our review. Okay, so let me just have some question here. Okay, so this time I will not give you some um, choices, so you will explain it by your own words. Okay, this one. What's that?
Is mean we
Mm-hmm.
not care with the time and we only play or do the activity make we waste the time.
Okay, very good. So good job. So when we say waste time, it means we do not care with the time. We only play and do things that are not useful, so that are not beneficial. Very good. And next, how about this one?
Is take a like course is
Mhm.
can you show me
Mhm.
uh,
You can do it.
the answer?
You can do
I
it. Take.
don't remember.
No, you don't remember. You can use your own words, your own understanding. How do you understand this word?
I don't
Take.
remember.
Oh, you don't remember. You can use your own words. Oh, from the word itself. Take online courses. Oh, what do we do with this? Like what we are doing right now. This is an online course, online
Oh,
English course.
we study online.
Very good. We study online or we join classes online. Very good. That's it. Okay, and next, this one. Oh, this one's very easy.
Easy.
Yeah, what is internet addiction?
Oh, is we only want to use the internet
Mm-hmm.
and we not want to study
Yes, very
or
good.
do something.
Okay, want to study. So, internet addiction, you're right. We only use the internet. We don't want to study or we don't want to stop. So,
Yes.
yeah, it is somehow connected with waste time or wasting time. So, yeah, very good. And next, this one.
What is what does keep up to date mean? Is we upgrade new informations?
Okay, very good. So we gather new information. Okay,
Yes.
very good. And next, let's have this one.
Uh, where?
Yeah, can you see it?
What does concentrate on something means? Is we log in some activity?
It it it's means. It means
We we
we
look and
l-
uh,
look and go. You can do it.
uh we can, we look very hard.
We study very hard. Is that
Yeah,
correct? Okay,
I don't
very
know.
good. Very good. It means to study hard or to focus on something. Okay, that is concentrating. Very good. You did a great job. So that is concentrating. So from the word itself, concentrate, it means focus. Okay.
Yes.
So next, how about this one? Mm, okay, this will be the last one.
What does search for information mean?
Mhm.
Is mean we find some information on the internet?
Okay, very good. It means finding information on the internet.
Yes.
Very good. Good job. So those are the things are the words that are connected with the internet. Okay, so now let's read. So let's proceed to our reading and discussion. And
Reading and discuss.
yes, so read first the
It
title.
talk about his habit of using the internet.
Mm-hmm,
I use the internet every day in the morning during my working time and in the evening. Maybe no single
mm-hmm,
day of mine is without the internet. My day starts with surfing the Facebook and reading some news. After waking up in the daytime, I use the internet mostly for my work or study.
mm-hmm.
I spend a lot of time chatting with my friends, watching videos, or reading news on the internet in the evening. I cannot deny that the internet plays an important role in my life. It helps me a lot in working, studying, as well as relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I wonder how to my life will be without it. To search for information, I use Google. It is so quick, easy, and convenient. Like other young people surfing Facebook is also my cup of tea. It allows me to keep in touch with my friends and relatives and also helps me make many new friends. Without a doubt, the internet helps us a lot, but I believe is very addictive as well. I have seen a lot of people spend too much time on the internet without having time for their family, friends, and other activities. They even cannot concentrate on their work and study.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. So let's read these words. This one. Okay, wait.
Then,
Okay. This one, so we do not read it as Denise. So we read it as deny.
then,
Okay, very good. Again, how do we read that one?
then I,
Deny. Very good. That is deny. How about this one?
nope,
Okay, so we do not read it as dope. We read it as doubt.
doubt,
Okay, very good. Again, how do you read this one?
where,
Yeah, that one. This one.
doubt.
Okay, doubt, not doubt. Okay, so now let's answer some questions about Peter. Oh, the first one.
When does Peter access the internet?
Mhm,
Oh, Peter access the internet in the morning.
mhm. Only in the
Uh,
morning? Only in the morning?
wait, in the
Okay.
daytime.
In the daytime?
Mm, every day.
Every day. Very good. So Peter uses internet every day. So in the morning, during work, and in the evening. Okay, and next, what does
Mm,
what does he do on the internet in the
in the
daytime?
morning during his working time and
Mhm.
in the evening. Maybe no single days of mine are off. He is
Huh?
without
Huh? Again? In the daytime first. In the daytime.
in the daytime.
Huh?
He is the internet mostly for his work or study. He
Okay.
spent a lot of time chatting with his friends, watching videos, or reading news on the internet in the evening.
Okay, very good. So those are the things that he do in the daytime. So daytime for work and study,
Uh,
evening chatting with friends, watching videos, reading news. Next,
what he do on Facebook?
what does he do on Facebook?
He surf the Facebook and read some news.
Okay, very good. Next, hmm? Oh, it's
In
in Facebook. He search.
surf the
Ah,
Facebook and read some news.
oh really? Where is reading news? Hmm. There is no read news here.
No,
Okay, so
it's here.
surfing Facebook. Where is
Here,
news?
teacher.
Where? It's not that one. We are talking about Facebook. Oh, so he use
Oh,
is
here's Facebook.
my day stars. This one. Okay. So surfing the Facebook. Actually, so he is not saying that he is reading some news in Facebook.
Mm,
Okay. Because here, so it is two different concepts. So in the day, so he said that he starts his day surfing the Facebook, and he doesn't said that he is reading some news on the Facebook. But in here we can see here the sentence, it focuses more on what he do on the Facebook.
mm,
So he surfs the Facebook. It allows him to keep in touch with his friends and relatives. And Facebook also helps him make new friends. Okay, so generally, he uses Facebook to keep in touch with his friends and make new friends. Okay? Okay, last question.
In Peter's opinion,
Opinion.
opinion,
Mhm.
what is the bad point of the internet?
What is the bad point of the internet?
Is the he have seen a lot of people spend too much
Mm-hmm.
time on the internet
Mm-hmm.
without having